the method we will be using for setting our goals in this training program. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share the method we will be using for this training program. Before I do that, I can remind us two important things. The first one is the method we'll be using. It's really famous and maybe you know about it and maybe you have heard about it, but I would like to really encourage us to be open of new ideas, new insights when we're talking about this method. Because as we talked earlier on, this might be a way that we missed important information when we think, oh, I know. But when we talk earlier, I reminded ourselves we have to be empty and just to really be open-minded, which is really important for learning any subject in life. And the second really tip, which I believe is really important, is just to do it. Let's be practical. When we are talking about setting up goals, it's a practical. When we are talking about creating a plan, how to achieve your goals, it's practical. When we're talking about changing your life and really go for your goals, it's practical. Nothing will happen in life until we do. And this is the big truth of life. Whatever we want, we have to act upon it and we have to do the necessary steps and the exercises we need to do. This is the only way we can have the results. The results are coming by action, by doing. And this is a great lesson in life. In the same way as I shared earlier on, if I know that apple a day can keep the doctor away, if I just only have this knowledge but don't apply it, it doesn't bring the benefit of eating an apple every day. In the same way, when we are talking about our training program, in our setting goals, I can encourage you, it will be practical. So go with us, do it practical, and let's achieve what we want to achieve and to really have the results we want to have in our life. And the method we're going to use is SMART. And this is what is the acronym of these SMART goals. And we'll be studying them letter by letter to see what actually they mean. And we will be digging down and we will be working on the goals we want to achieve according to these letters. It will be a step-by-step process, and I'm really excited because, as I shared earlier with you, I'm a master of steps. Being a professional dancer helped me to understand really a lot about steps and methodology. So just follow us, follow me, and it will be an amazing, great journey. So what is S standing for? We will see in the next video. So thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.